Okay, I don't really care how it looks because this is really just an audio test. To test my new microphone. So, I'm wearing a glove right now and I'm about to go outside since it's supposed to have a 250-foot range. So I really wanted to just see what would happen if I came out here into the wind with the camera inside and kept talking just to see, what's going to happen. Well, obviously I'm less than 200 feet away, 250 feet rather, but this thing probably has the worst range because of all of the electronics. So now I'm going to go back inside and listen to this some more and see how it sounds as it recorded. Did I get a bunch of wind noise? Did it sound like shit? Let's find out.